In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and on the main page so you can see the navigation menu on the left. From that left panel, look for the area where you can manage apps or integrations. Click it, then choose Install App. In the app list, select eBay and start the installation. This connects CJ Dropshipping with your eBay store so products can be pushed over smoothly. Once the app is installed, click that same integrations or app icon again. Find eBay in the list, click it, and then click Authorize. A prompt will open asking you to grant permissions. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. This usually means confirming that CJ Dropshipping can list items to your eBay account on your behalf. If you see multiple options, pick the eBay account you want to use, confirm, and wait for the success message. When authorization completes, you're ready to list. Go back to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and navigate to the products section. Browse or search for the item you want to sell. When you've chosen a product, open its page to quickly review details like available variants and what media is included. When you're satisfied, click List so you can send it to eBay. You'll now see the listing setup for eBay. Start by selecting your eBay store if prompted. Enter a clear, keyword-rich title that accurately describes the product and helps shoppers find it. Add tags to improve discoverability, keep them relevant to the product's features and use cases. Next, go to variant pricing. Review each variant, set your selling price, and make sure your pricing covers costs while remaining competitive. If the product has multiple options, double check that each one has the correct price and SKU. Move on to images and videos. Choose high quality images that show the product clearly from multiple angles. If a video is available, include it. It can boost buyer confidence. Arrange your media in the order you want customers to see them, putting the best image first. Then finalize your description. Use clear, scannable paragraphs that explain key features, specifications, sizing or color options, and what's included. Keep it accurate and helpful to reduce returns and questions. When everything looks good, store title tags, variant pricing, images, videos, and description. Click List now. That's it. Your product is published to eBay through CJ Dropshipping, and you're set to start receiving orders.